Text to image is cool. Image to video is wild. But video to video? That's when things get seriously creative. Meet Domo AI. You can effortlessly restyle your videos into consistent cinematic formats using a variety of AI presets. Take a look at this. Here's a clip from a popular movie that I completely reimagined using this tool. Isn't it absolutely mind-blowing? And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create the same result step by step. So let's dive in. Domo AI powerful AI tool is about to change the way you create both videos and images. To get started, click the link in the description. Once you're logged in, you'll land on a clean dashboard. Video to anime, image to video, text to video, talking avatar, and so on. Let's explore video to video. Click the video button. Upload your original video. Here I am giving a movie scene. Enter your creative prompt. Choose a restyling model. Here you will get different kinds of model. Japanese anime, 3D cartoon, paper art, illustration, realistic, and so on. I'm going with detail anime model. Set the duration based on how long you want the output to be. More prompt for stronger stylization, or more video to preserve original video accuracy. Below that, choose an aspect ratio, then explore advanced settings. Lip sync matches mouth movement to original video audio. Screen keying removes the background, keeping your main subject. Subject only. Only the subject gets restyled, not the entire frame. Once you're happy with the settings, click Generate. And here's the final result. We've converted an ordinary video clip into a colorful anime-style animation. How cool is that? Now explore. Text to image allows you to generate eye-catching visuals instantly from just a few words. Here, give a prompt about a fashion influencer. You can also upload a reference image if you want more visual control. Choose your style from the wide selection of AI models. I'm going with the storybook cartoon model. Next, select an aspect ratio. Under advanced settings, you'll find a relax mode option, which lets you generate images without using credits. Just note, it takes longer to render, so I'll skip that for now. Now click Generate, and within seconds, you'll get 4 unique images. See the result. Here I am exploring another model, for example, Anime XL. Here you'll get 4 images. Take a look. Aren't they beautiful? From here you can upscale an image or create variations. I'm choosing to upscale 1. And here's how it looks after enhancement. Check out the side-by-side comparison. You can even restyle your own image with just a few clicks. Here, I'm selecting this image and adding a simple prompt. A girl is standing. Next, I'll choose a model. Let's go with vintage poster. And here's the result. Looks absolutely amazing, right? Now, let's move on to the image to video feature. This one brings static visuals to life by adding smooth, lifelike motion. Upload the image you want to animate. Enter your prompt. The female is writing. Choose the duration of the animation. The longer it is, the more credits it uses. Select your aspect ratio, then hit Generate. And here it is. OMG, the movement. Writing style, eyes blinking, is just mind-blowing. Now let's explore about template. Select one image and now use one template. Here I am going with these dance moves. Okay, done. What was once a static image now has dynamic motion. This is perfect for social media. Now let's explore a really unique feature. Character to video. This blends a static image with the motion from a video clip while preserving the shape and personality of your character. Upload a video clip that contains some motion. Upload a static image you want to bring to life. Add your prompt and select your preferred style model. Set the video duration and explore advanced settings again. Click Generate, and after a short wait, here it is. Watch how perfectly it applies the motion to the image. The transformation is smooth and surprisingly accurate. Let's talk about talking avatar.
Do you want to come over to my castle for a drink?
It allows you to bring any static image to life. Just upload a portrait or character image and add your own voice script or audio. Here I am going with text-to-speech and adding a line. Select an artist.
The only limit to our realization.
Okay, it will take some time to generate the voice.
Hello. I'm not a real human being.
Okay, done. Just add to asset the voice, and now come again to talking avatar and add the voice here. Done.
Hello. I'm not a real human being. I was created using Domo AI. But I look pretty real, don't I?
Let's talk about pricing. Domo AI is free to use. New users get 15 bonus credits to try our tools. You can upgrade anytime or keep using the free plan with occasional giveaways. And there you have it. Domo AI is a powerful all-in-one creative suite that combines the best of AI image generation, animation, and stylized video editing. It's fast, fun, and definitely worth trying out. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm always exploring the best and latest AI tools for creators like you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.